In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to annotate stratal terminations and lap out patterns using standard arrows. Annotating the stratal termination in your data before making your interpretation can lead the observation toward proper interpretation. Let's see how we do this in OpendTect. First, add the inline for 25. Then expand the annotations. Click in arrows. Add arrows group. Name the arrow groups to stratal termination. Click on OK to add it to the tree. OpendTect annotations like arrows, image, and scale bar are handy tools to highlight and describe features of interest. In seismic sequence stratigraphic interpretation, arrows are used traditionally to map lap-outs, patterns, and truncations. Now, make sure you activate the stratal termination icon. You can pick on the seismic line at position where you want to insert an arrow. The first click adds an arrow head and allows you to rotate, and click one more time to pin it. Control click will delete the arrow. If you want to change the type, the color, and the width and the size of the arrow, right-click on the stratal termination, select it on property. You can choose what type of arrow you want to display. Top, for instance, changing the color or changing the width of the arrow. This concludes this exercise.